No way. I want a fair If you give me your ring, I'll bring your ring for the rest of the semester. Yeah, you're not letting me. Just give me that ring. No! I think I'm trying to pass out. Where's your house? Really want to give Logan his ring back? So much. You're going to be my assistant in the tummy show. No, I haven't touched the box. Really? All of your assistant.
Howie.